Here we are again at 1324 North Milwaukee Avenue, showing once again this T. Water has been turned back on, and we are confirming everything does flow out the left side of the T right here. As you can see, everything is flowing out to the left. For the most part, a lot is simply just collecting right here though at the bottom of this T. The best option would be to dig up this T and replace it with a Y, and this is outside of the building here, and that would prevent everything from collecting right there.